Sunny out there today, and a little bit of a cloudy start tomorrow, I guess?
Yeah, a little bit of that. A weak little cold front's coming through, and you might even get a drop of rain tomorrow morning. We looked at that at the top of the newscast. We'll go over that again in a moment, but what I really want to focus on before I get into any of that is how much warmer it's about to get. Yeah, there are daytime highs by Saturday, especially those inland East Bay valleys, where we're going to get to 90. So first, here's a look at that. This is the map that shows you what the confidence level is for temperatures above or below average for a particular period of time. This is the 6 to 10 day outlook. In other words, it's where the 7-day leaves off and you go out from 6 to 10 days. Look at that bullseye right over the west. That shows you a high degree of confidence temperatures are going to be above average. We can kind of start looking at, well, how far above average? So we'll switch the map and we'll put in the temperature anomalies. And this shows us if you're shaded in blue, you're below average like we have been for the past few days. But watch what happens as we progress towards next weekend. Now there's a lot more orange out here showing us temperatures getting at least 10 degrees above average, probably more like 15. And we're going to put some specific numbers on that in a second. First, here's the specific number for Saturday afternoon. Downtown San Francisco, it's 59 degrees. Let's go down south. San Jose, that's a live look over downtown here, and the number there is 64. And if we look at that setup for tomorrow morning, we tracked this at the top of the newscast, but one more review. This is tomorrow morning. Clouds increase. There's a weak cold front in there. Can you see the rain? There's a few showers in it, but by the time we got to around 9, 10 in the morning, it's gone. And then you get more blue sky tomorrow. And it's thanks to that system that's kind of sitting out there off the coast. It looks so impressive just sitting out there. Tightly wound up area, low pressure. It looks beautiful on the water vapor imagery. It will make it a bit breezy, but it's not going to make it terribly windy. It's just going to be a bit breezy as it comes on shore. And look at the direction. See how that's going too far north? That's why we don't really have much rain in the forecast from this. The system this time is staying just a little too far north to do that. All right, let's get some of the temperatures in here for daytime highs tomorrow. We'll start out with the wide view, and then I want to get a little specific on some of our microclimates here. And usually, one of the better places, if you were going to find a difference, is to check in on how the East Bay differs from one side of the hill to the other. In other words, communities up and down 680, communities on 880, there's still no difference. Everybody is still in the mid-60s. Those are the Monday daytime highs. So here's where we will start to notice the change when we get to that warm-up. San Francisco and Oakland, Europe first. It will be in the upper 70s for Oakland by Saturday. City, San Francisco, might get to 73 next weekend. But when you look at the North Bay valleys, now we're talking about 3 degrees shy of 90 by the time we get to be 87 on Saturday. San Jose, you'll get to 86, and the winter, those warmest inland East Bay valleys, 90 degrees here. So Tri-Valley, Concord, think of those locations, 680, you might even do it too. All the communities up and down that. Okay.